Hello students, class 3rd. Student, we have discussed in previous lecture different parts of a plant and also function of the parts of a plant. Student, in this lecture we will discuss the some activity. First activity we will discuss to learn that plants need sunlight to be healthy. Next we will discuss to learn that plant need water to remain healthy. So let's start. Plants need sunlight to be healthy. So there is a material required. You need 2 small potted plant, watering can and a cardboard box. Why? There is a cardboard box to cover one of the plant. So what will we do, student? Let's ready. What is the method? Plants need sunlight to be healthy. So student, what will we do? Place the plant near a window where they can receive sunlight. Now cover one plant with the cardboard box because we have taken the 2 potted plant. So cover one plant with the cardboard box. Now what will we do? Water both the plants every day. What do you think will happen? The leaves of the plant covered with cardboard will become unhealthy and within the absence of the sunlight. What will happen? When you cover the one plant with the cardboard box, so the sunlight will not reach in the plant, so this plant become unhealthy and wilt. Why? Because of the absence of the sunlight. So we will learn that all plants need sunlight to be healthy. Understand? Now student, we will discuss the plant also need water to remain healthy. What will happen if you do not water the plant? So there is an activity also. So you will need 3 small potted plant and a watering can to water the plant. Now what will we do? Now when you will 3 small potted plants, so you should label plant 1, plant 2 and plant 3. Student, you will do water plant 1 daily. You water the plant daily in plant 1. In next plant 2, you water the plant twice a week. And in plant 3, you do not water in plant 3. So what will you observe? In plant 1, in plant 2 and plant 3, student, you will observe that when you water the plant 1 daily, so this plant will be healthy plant. And when you water the plant twice, plant 2 twice a week, so this plant not so healthy plant. And when you do not water plant 3, so you will observe this plant will be unhealthy and wilt. So in this activity we have observed that, we can say that we have learned that plant need water to remain healthy. Okay. Now student, there is some question also. If we talk about the plants need sunlight and water to grow healthy, and in dark place plants begin to unhealthy and wilt. Okay students, now we will discuss student the next activity to learn that stem carry water absorbed by the roots up to the flower. What is the function of the stem? Transport the water from the roots to the other parts of the plant also. So in this activity we will discuss that the stem carry water absorbed by the roots up to the flowers. So in this activity student, take 2 white flowers with long stem and 2 glasses with water and food color red. So what will happen? Make a slight silt in the stem of 2 flower and put a flower in each glass of water. In one glass add a few drops of red water and observe after 1 hour. What do you observe? You will observe that red color is reaches in the flower and the flower will become the red. And so student, you will observe that white flower turns light pink in color or red also in color water. So we learn that stem carry water absorbed by the roots up to the flower. So we can say that when you do this activity student, so make a slightly silt in the stem. You can silt means cut. So you will observe that this red water reaches through the stem into the other parts of the plant and the flower turns pink in colored water. So I think you have understand the function of the stem carry water absorbed by the roots up to the flowers. Okay student. So there is a healthy plant have healthy roots, stem, leaves, flower and fruits. So there is a healthy plant also. You can see unhealthy fruits, there is some spotties also, and you can see also the unhealthy leaves. So I hope you understand. We have discussed the 3 activities about this chapter, and student, in next lecture we will discuss the next topic, germination. What is the germination? The process of the growth of a seed into a new plant is called germination. So this will be discussed in next lecture. Okay students, take care. Bye.